A long time ago, on the island of Sodor, a small E2 tank engine used to work on the railway, pushing and pulling passengers around. Wait, you think I'm talking about Thomas? Oh no. This story happened before he even came to Sodor. The engine I'm talking about was named Timothy. He looked a lot like Thomas, except he was silver with a number 0 on his sides. He was an old and kind engine. But one night, things didn't go as planned.
We're all good, Timothy. Away we go.
Yes, of course, driver. All the passengers climbed in the coaches, the guard blew his whistle, and they were off. Everything was running like clockwork at first. The coaches were clattering, and the sounds of the owls were hooting at the sky. But as soon as they reached the station that was fully built, trouble started happening.
What the? We just passed the station, Timothy.
But Timothy didn't listen. He just kept on going. His driver tried to pull the brakes, but nothing happened.
Why aren't we stopping? I don't know. Timothy isn't listening and the brakes are jammed. I thought we made sure the controls weren't jammed. We did. I don't know why it's acting up like that.
Just then, they went to the line where it goes to the unfinished viaduct. Both Timothy's crew and the passengers were in horror. They knew that they were about to head for some serious trouble.
What are you doing, Timothy? You're going to kill us all.
I am going to send you all to the graveyard. I am legend. I am fire. I am death. Nobody knew what made him do such a thing. Some people say that he had depression and decided to commit suicide. Others say he thought he was lost and accidentally went the wrong lane and couldn't stop on time. But whatever the case, he killed himself, his crew, and all the passengers who he was pulling. When investigators were checking the area, there were no survivors. All of them were dead, and it became a cold case for eternity. But legend says that if you go to the viaduct, where it's now complete, you will see him running on the rails again, with the train he was pulling. And on the day of the accident, he runs again, as a warning to others, plunged into the gap, screeching like a lost soul. Happy Halloween.
We